Here's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade. By being meticulous about what went into building this Escalade, you can get whatever you want out of it. It comes with all the amenities you need. V8 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated bucket seats, automated parking sensors, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection comments, while offering the acceleration and responsiveness of a smaller luxury vehicle, the Escalade offers one of the most comfortable, lavishly appointed interiors available in any SUV. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Call us today at 1-866-460-9587.